Hey guys, Luke here. Just thought I'd do a quick little video for you. Got a V6 Mercedes CLK 320. Anyway, as some of you might know, I went away for 4 months. Just before I left, I had some serious acceleration problems, like it was bogging down, not wanting to go anywhere. This car had been completely trouble-free the whole time I've owned it, so I didn't want to just send it off to a scrapyard or something silly. Did some quick research on Google, and it was telling me all sorts of little bits and pieces like throttle position sensor and MAF sensor and whatnot, clearing codes, obviously resetting computers and whatnot. Plugged in my what do you call it, my OBD2 reader. No trouble codes were coming up, and I came across a cheap MAF sensor, one of these in between the airbox and your intake air pipe, from the UK, and they're like $300+. Found a cheap one on eBay for $35 express posted. Just going to show you quickly how to swap them over. Alright, we'll start her up. This is with the old one in it. Seems to start up fine. Now, she has already been started just before, so I'm not doing this cold. As soon as you go to accelerate, try and get these both together. That's accelerating. See, it bogs down, wants to pop, sounds like it wants to backfire. I'll show you on the accelerator. As soon as you accelerate, it just kills any power to the engine. Now, mechanics and auto sparkies and stuff are saying, you know, fuel and spark and whatnot. Now, I've already swapped this over, so I know that this is a fix for this exact problem. Now, if you've got a 99 model, thereabouts, around 3.2 litre V6, if you want to give it a try, it's cheap and it's very easy to replace. I highly suggest you give this a go first before any of the expensive sensors. Alright, now I'm going to swap over and put the new one in. And try and do this one-handed. You literally have a flathead Phillips head screw on a hose clamp. Undo that. Just a few turns. Make sure she's loose. Now you can see there's this little clip here. Just lift under here, lift up. Now underneath, on the opposite side, there's another one exactly the same. Just pop that one off. And then you got your MAF plug there going into the sensor that we're replacing. There's 2 clips. That slides off. Move him out of the way. Lift this up and out. There you go. That's all it is. There's the old one. Alright, here's the new one. There's a part number there, if that helps you guys. I just typed in airflow meter Mercedes on eBay, and I managed to obviously just sort them out, cheapest to most expensive, and found one close and thought I'd get it. Alright, now I'm going to put the new one in. Now bear in mind, I'm doing this one-handed, so all you garage mechanics back home should have no problems with using both hands. That's the bottom one done. That's plugged in. Literally tightening that up. Now, like I said, it really is a couple of minutes, like a 5-minute job max. And never mind that, got a blown bulb in the back somewhere. Alright, and if you listen carefully, my acceleration bog down has gone away. Some more happy motoring for me, and I get to keep my old Mercedes. I absolutely love this car. It's so comfortable and I love looking at it. Thanks guys, hope this fixes your problem too. Have a good one. Cheers.